Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 54 on hashtag ASR99 Data Sync Challenge, and in this video we are going to look at how to create a simple plot using our plot function in Matplotlib. So I have already imported our Matplotlib package and now let's get started. So before plotting it, let me create two lists. So let's say A equals, I'm taking the value 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 6.1 and 6.4, and then B equals 78, 79, 85, 81 and 88. So I have 5 values in my list A and 5 values in list B. So now we are good to go to create a plot. So to create a plot we use our function plot. So plt dot plot function, and in which we are going to pass our both the list. So A and B. And now here we can see our cool looking plot. So now we don't know what the x-axis and y-axis represents. So in order to name our x and y-axis, we will use our functions x label and y label. So let's do that. Plt dot x label, and in which they are the height in feet, and then my y label, which is the weight in kg, so it must be in double quotes. And yeah, and here we got our x and y label. Now let's give a title to our plot. So to give a title we use our function title, and in which let's say height versus weight of the class. Oops. And yeah, it's off, and here it is. And here we can see this small piece of line. In order to remove that, we should use the function show, so which helps us to remove this line and only shows the plot. So plt dot show, and now here it is. This is our plot. So in order to just create a simple plot, we just need 5 lines of code, and that's it. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. And in this video we looked at how to create a simple plot with the help of our Matplotlib package with our plot function. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.